Mohammad Zubair and Abdul Wasir Khan, and our final year project is medical vending machine. Now the purpose of this medical vending machine is that to create ease for people and customers who will have to who take a long time in lines at medical stores and pharmacies and hospitals as well. And this is a machine which is easily can be planted at any place and in areas where there are no medical pharmacies, and people can easily come to these medical vending machines, which are very easy to use and very accessible. The basic functions that we have used in this medical machine is that we have used machine learning for prescription reading, which makes it even more easier, and simple cash mechanism. This machine is excellent for offices and universities, as in case there are no medical hospitals or pharmacies nearby, then these are very good in first aid use. Now Mohammad Tayyib will continue.
So basically this machine is working on the basis of machine learning. The core purpose of this machine is to provide in need of emergency, such as in like indoor sports areas where there is no such things as a first aid kit or something. So this machine basically works on the camera. It reads the prescription and it gives the machine. It gives the medicine, and there is also a cash mechanism for a fast and secure process.
So we have some major features in our project, like a UI interface. We show the medicine names and billing amount shown here. So we have also trained the model by using machine learning, and we have fitted camera by which we can we have a prescription scanner that can read the handwritten prescription as well as a printed scripture.
Now there are several steps to run the machine. Basically, first we have this prescription handwritten or printed. Now first I am scanning the prescription and pressing the button. Now it shows the medicine name, and also now I am showing the prescription for reading it, and press the button for start the machine. And now LCD shows the prescription. Now I'm entering the amount. Now for the change we have to wait for some time. Now the change is coming from here.